Hi dear moms, and welcome you to our channel Food for Baby. Are you still suffering about your baby's food? Is he still rejecting food? So today let's try an egg muffin for babies of above 1 year, which can be served as a finger food also. So first select some vegetables according to your baby's choice and cut them into very small pieces. I have selected carrot and beans, pumpkin, potato, and a kind of green leaf. Cut all the vegetables like this. So now add all the vegetables together in one bowl. Now add butter into a pan and add our vegetable mixture. And here you can add thick coconut milk for boiling vegetables. You should boil these vegetables in a very low flame. Once it is done, put our cooked vegetable in another bowl. And add eggs into it. Here I have taken 2 eggs. You can decide it according to the amount of vegetables. So I've got a muffin tray and I grease butter in it and add our mixture. And finally add cheese on the top of our mixture. Now we are going to bake this. First preheat the oven for 10 minutes and bake it for 15 minutes in 160 grades. So it is very easy, and try this also. It looks so yummy. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to share it with your friends. So have a happy feeding time.